How does a computer think? Not with feelings, but with one simple thing, logic. At the heart of a computer lies Boolean logic. Everything boils down to just two values, true 1 or false 0. It's from combinations of these 1 south and 0 south that all complex commands, from graphics to calculations, are executed.
Before I explain further, let me introduce myself. My name is Chaca Aira Mamonto, with student ID number 2510110600023 from Information System, Class A. Computers don't understand our words or sentences, they only understand binary. A language made of 1 south and 0 south, think of it like Morse code, but even simpler. 1 means on and 0 means off. Every text, image, and sound you see on your screen is actually built from millions of tiny on-off switches. So how does the computer think using those 1 south and 0 south? Through something called logic gates. Logic gates are tiny circuits that make decisions based on input. For example, an AND gate only gives 1 if both inputs are 1. An OR gate gives 1 if at least one input is 1. And a NOT gate simply flips the value. If it's 1, it becomes 0. If it's 0, it becomes 1. These gates are like the brain cells of a computer. They don't feel, but they decide. When you connect lots of logic gates together, you create a circuit that can perform bigger tasks. Some circuits can do addition, others compare numbers, and some even store data, like memory. Billions of these circuits working together let your device perform complex operations instantly. Now imagine stacking all those logical decisions. That's how we get software. Programs, apps, even games. Every click, every animation, every message is just layers of logic running in the background. So when you play a game or open a file, you're basically commanding billions of 1 south and 0 south to move in perfect order. Computers don't think like humans. They don't have emotions or opinions. They just follow logic step by step without mistakes. But when we give them the right instructions, that simple logic can look like intelligence. And that's how a computer thinks. Not with feelings, but with logic, precision, and speed. And that's the end of my explanation. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I really hope my video helps you understand how a computer thinks. Once again, my name is Chaca Aira Mamonto, and thank you for your attention.